Yung mga concept ba ito, Thailand ng style. Mga matulis yung mga bahay dyan ba? Tingnan mo yung country club nila, ang laki-laki oh. The biggest in Asia. Picture namin dito yun. Yan. Video. Picture mo rin baby mo.
Pwede mag-say ka sa subdivision na to.
Welcome to Timberland. This is on top of Marikina in San Mateo, Rizal. I have a property here called The Ranch. It's in lot 16, block 5. It's a 27 square meter residential lot property. So hopefully one of these days I will be able to build my own house here. It's overlooking the metropolis of Makati and also overlooking the Maynilad. So let's look at that. That's the skyline of Makati over there. Lot owner Hugard, block 16.
And I'm also on the side of the lot.
Eclayo, Ben Glenn Eclayo.
Hopefully,
Ranch
we'll be
to, diba?
able
The
to
ranch.
make his house here.
Block
and
16.
able to live here once.
Yung harap sa bagong ginagawa
We're
namin
in
dyan.
Timberland right now.
Thank you.
So, here's Daddy again.
Okay, welcome. See, this is going to be a future house of ours.
And as you can see, there are so many houses that in here, and whoa, it's very nice. Just look at it. Just look at it.
Yan yung sa akin sa baba. Nakakainis, sabi nila hindi na nila lagawan.
Wow, may swimming pool pa. Jacuzzi.
Okay ah.
Ang lapit ko sa
And
clubhouse.
here's the ranch that
Ayun, may
Daddy
parking pala doon. Sa
is
nilang may parking
talking
pala doon.
about. And
Okay pala sa Ulrite ah.
Yan, ganda ng
we're-
property ko na, no, na-develop na.
may
Dati,
parking
gusto,
na
walang
dito.
kalaman-laman to dito lahat.
Wala pa yan sir.
Ito, wala to. Lahat yung mga bahay na yun, wala pa yan. Kasi opening nga kami dito, nakabili ako ng opening.
And as you can see, there's a swimming pool here in this clubhouse where, yeah, and this is a semi-documentation about his lot property here. And let's hear from my dad, Glenn Eclayo.
Welcome to another one of the clubhouse here in the ranch, Timberland. So my property is a corner lot over here. See that? That will be my future house. They said it is a, what do you call that? It's the earthquake fault of Marikina. But never mind. It's a beautiful place. Look at this around it. It's a Thailand motif building. We have swimming pools and Asian inspired houses around. Okay. This is where I build my house.
And I'm
And
hung
it is
under
really
the
my house
sun.
na. Naka-title na yan. Wow, may deck pa ako dito. So may bisita ko, lalakad ko na lang.
Wow, this is really great.
Oh, see?
And that's a very good view, as you can see it. Very nice.
Gandang view dito. Doon daw kasi mas nasa taas ka, pag may bahay na daw sa harapan mo, makukover ko yung view. Okay, is it still on?
Yeah.
Ah, okay. If you see the fantastic view of the Makati skyline over there, but right now it's quite foggy, so you will not be able to see it on cam. Maybe like early in the morning you'll be able to see that the view over there, but in the future I'll be building my own house here. Hopefully in 2 to 3 years time, I have my house over there, standing, an Asian inspired house. Just like that over there, look at that. See? Wow, wowee. Kailangan yung bedroom ko nakaharap doon. Hindi ko na-ibenta to, baby.
Told you that.
Babahayan mo na to.
And we hear the part of our executive president of the PBMA, and also my dad, that he will not sell this lot property and should be able to stand a house here and make a beautiful home.
I was supposed to sell this property, but now I changed my mind. I'm definitely keeping it, and this will be my retirement home. It's beautiful.
Yeah, that's great. And as you can see here, come on, hop in. This beautiful swimming pool. See that? Facilities and many more. So what can you say about this?
Nice place.
That's great. How about Ray Pistaño? What can you say about this property?
A nice place, very nice, fresh air.
Yeah, that's right. So let's hear again from our. Okay, my dad is having me a picture. And that's all for this part, and thank you for watching.